Testing viral TikTok hair volume hacks. Which ones actually work? Hi, my name's Chi. My hair is pretty flat. This is my second day hair. I'm gonna try all the hacks on this hair because as you can see, they look really flat. And also personally, I don't have a lot of volume to begin with. I do have a family history of thinning hair, and that is why I desperately need these volume hacks to work. So now let's get started. The first one I'm gonna try is this one, 2.3 million views, really viral, and she got long straight dark hair, just like myself. So I'm gonna try this first. First, pull both sides of your hair to the middle, use a hair tie. Easy peasy. Wait, what is actually she doing? I couldn't figure out the first couple times, it was so fast. I had to pause and go back. Okay, what she's doing is she pulled the hair down from in the middle and pulled it up. Now she spreads it with her hand. This is what it looks like on her, and this is what it looks like on me. And this is also me from the sides. Wait, I think I've seen this hairstyle from somewhere in Lord of the Rings. So the first hack did not work on me at all. It does look good on her. I think it's because she already got a lot of volume in her hair. But if you already have a lot of volume in your hair, do you really need volumizing hacks? If you're petite, make sure you check out my clothing line at petitedressing.com for women under 5'4". Ever since I discovered petitedressing.com, my style went from this to this.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench, spinning all the back like here I go again.
Now the second hack. Wow, this one got 3.8 million views. I gotta try it. And let's hope it works this time. So first step, I'm gonna need 2 hair clips. One goes to the front and one goes to the back. And now pull it up and spray it with volume spray. This is something I've been using for over a year, and this is not a sponsored video. As you can see, the bottle is almost empty. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the blow dry. I'm gonna do it from top and also in the back. Okay, now let's see the results. Wait a second, doesn't really look as amazing as I was expecting. So then I did this. I put my fingers through several times and let the air in. Now it looks a lot better. This is really important because you gotta let the air in your hair, and that's what gives you the volume. So this hack, I'm gonna give it 3 out of 5 stars. It does give me an immediate root lift and also add some volume to my hair. Hack number 3, Korean hairstyle, and this is 400,000 views, pretty viral. I'm gonna try this. She is using a big curler, and just from past experience, I know that curlers always work better on wet hair and not dry hair. So because of that, I'm gonna make my hair a little damp to make sure the curler actually gonna work. Another reason I did this is gonna cancel out everything we did from previous hack so that you can see the full result from the next hack. So now this is what my hair looks like. It's really flat, just like when we first started. My installer is now fully warmed up. I am gonna do the first part. So she is doing this. The reason I did not have a big curler like that is I got burned once. You know, once burned, twice shy. So now I don't really use big curlers exposed like that, but I use a installer, which is the same concept. So if you have something similar, you can do it at home as well. So just hold it up like this, and I'm gonna do it for like, she did like 5 seconds. I'm gonna do a little longer, more than 5 seconds. And done. Did it work? Did it work? So now I'm gonna do the other side, and she did it twice. So I'm gonna do exactly the same thing. Curl it like this. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna flip it. Just get some air in it. So here you go. This is the end result. For me, this is the most roots lifting and volumizing I've gotten so far compared with all the other hacks I have done. But there's one thing though, perhaps it's because I've stayed too long for my hair, and because the rest of my hair is straight, so this almost looks like it's a little too curly on top of my head. But if you have wavy hair like her, this might look more natural on you. So I am gonna give it 4 out of 5 stars. So I'm gonna try this simple hair clip hack. Before I do that, I do make sure I make my hair wet. This is gonna cancel out everything we have done from the previous hack. So now my hair look damp and flat again. Let's start from ground zero. First, pull out the middle of your hair with a big hair clip and blow dry both sides of it. Now put the hairspray on the rest of your hair and make sure you get both sides of it. Now put your hair down and now let the air in it. That's it. Now here you got the final result. So what do you think? I really like the last one. This is my favorite so far. It's really easy and it works. It gave me a lot of volume and it looks pretty natural on me. Also, this is something so simple I can do every morning and don't have to worry about spending too much time. This whole process took me under 1 minute. So I'm gonna give this 4 out of 5 stars. Or actually, I'm gonna do a 5 out of 5 stars. Adding volume to your hair is something that every girl wants. But did you know that the best hairstyle for you is largely determined by the shape of your face? For example, most of the time you're gonna see me wearing my long straight hair and I wear it down like this. That is because my face is rounded. When I wear my hair straight and down, it balances out the roundness of my shape. What is your face shape? If you want to know the best hairstyle for you, you first need to understand what face shape you have. And there are 7 common face shapes. Watch this video. What type of face do you have?